We're going to work on installing the PSX-26. Well, you have bigger problems than your speaker. So what this is going to make it so much easier for you. I'm going to just go part way because afterwards I want it to kind of light up. So, you know, this isn't too bad there. I like doing the videos for you guys, so without you watching, you know, what's the use? Hey guys, welcome back to Simply New England. Aaron here. Today we are going to do a simple install. I'm going to try to take you through this quickly, not get into too much detail because what we're going to install really isn't that hard to do. I'm going to work on installing the PSX-26. It's a Planet Audio speaker. So we're going to install this onto this. Alright guys, well this is the speaker. Again, it's a PSX-26 from Planet Audio. As you can see here, this is a weatherproof 26-inch IPX rated ATV UTV soundbar. You might say, oh, what's IPX? Basically, IPX is a weatherproof enclosure. What that means is that it can resist low pressure water jet spray. It can be submerged up to 1 meter in water for about 30 minutes. So my thought on that is if you're submerged that long, well, you have bigger problems than your speaker. So what this basically comes with is initially you're going to get 4 of these here, okay? I already went ahead and screwed those on. It's real easy. You just use a Allen wrench and put them on. Just make sure that when you do it, your distance from here to here is the same. Same on this end from here. So it's even once you have it up on the bar. You get 2 of these little pads right here. Actually, you get 4 of them, 2 to go in there. And then there's an extra one. One of them here I was kind of messing with and it got stuck together. I ripped it apart, but it's not going to be a big deal. You get these 4 screws here. And you get the little Planet Audio remote. So, pretty simple system. Now, you might be asking, why do I have these Velcro things out here? When I go to do this, I'm going to be doing it on my own. And when I go to screw one side and the other side, I'll just use these. Just a little hack, I guess, to keep them up on the bar until I'm able to tighten these down. It just makes things a lot easier. That's all that is. But as far as specs on this thing, so again, it's weatherproof. It's got 2 pairs of 4-inch full-range speakers. You know, you can see those here. Then you also have 1-inch dome tweeters. That's there on the end. And again, you got the 2 speakers here, the 2 speakers here. You've got your Planet Audio, you know, your fast forward, volume, your mode, pause, start. Again, the remote works just fine with it. It does have a built-in Class AB amp and 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cord, which you see a USB right here. It allows you to charge on the go. There is your 3.5. And then, of course, if you don't want to hardwire this thing, which I'm not going to, you can hook this right up into your 12-volt plug on your CFMOTO or whatever unit you're using. The other things that you have here is, again, you know, Bluetooth audio streaming. You can play and control the music in the apps like, you know, Spotify, Pandora, Amazon, and of course you can do it wirelessly. You got the multi-angle adjustable clamps that we were just talking about, and just so you'll know, those will fit bars from 1 3/4 to 2 inches. So it's perfect for ATVs or UTVs. So with that being said, I'm going to set the camera up. I'll do a quick install on this. I'll probably do a little fast forward. Again, it's really simple. And then when we're done, I'll do a quick sound demo and we'll show you how it's going to look. So right now, this would be your before. And when it's done, I'll show you the after. All right, guys. So this is going to be the easiest way to do this. So what you'll do is, like, at least what I'm doing, this speaker will just kind of like just rest up here. You can lean it up on the seat. So I'm going to take these Velcros. I'm going to do it right in the middle. I'm just going to wrap this around. Take this right here, put it up here. Run this strap through here. Basically just get this thing kind of where I want it. So it's just like that. And trust me on this, if you're going to do this on your own, I mean, you don't need to use Velcro, you can use whatever, but definitely mount it up there ahead of time with something like this. It's going to make it so much easier for you. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and get the rest of the parts for this, and the Velcro will hold just fine. Okay, so all you're going to need here again is just these pieces here. So just line these up. Go ahead and put your, I already went ahead, I'm going to go ahead and put these pieces here, in here. This prevents it from scratching the bar. It's just nice little guards. And, you know, it'll help also so you don't get, probably help reduce friction as well so the bar won't slide. That's all you do on that one. Take one of these sides, and again, I already lined this, so all I'm going to do is just put this here. Alright, it's really easy. Just line that up. Take your screws. Just go ahead initially and just start it by hand tightening it. I'm going to just go part way because afterwards I want to be able to align this. Take another one. Do the same thing. Just spin it your way a little bit so you can get it started, otherwise the roof will be in the way. You don't have to take the roof off to do this. You know, this unless you're just not thinking. And that's why I'm only going to go part way tight to start, because I'm going to come back and tighten everything up after I line it. So there's that one. Take this. I'm going to start with the back one this time. Then I'm going to spin it towards me so I don't have to take the roof off. Yes, I'm doing this all by hand. I mean, this is a simple install. Okay, there's that one. It's all going as it should. Gonna get the next one. Same thing. And again, these Velcro straps, they made this so much easier because I did put this on my UFORCE 1000 before I traded it in for this one. And I didn't use the Velcro. I did it by myself, and I was swearing the whole time. I promise you I was. So when I came and looked at this and said, okay, I'm going to reinstall it, I thought before I did, and said, okay, I'm using Velcro straps this time. All right, so as you can see, everything's up here. Now, the nice thing about this unit here, aligning it, all you got to do is just align the Planet Audio circle in the middle with this piece that sticks down, which is where I have one of my camera controls. And so if you do, one of my camera holders, so if you guys do camera holders, this won't get in the way, by the way. So now I'm just going to take my Allen wrench, which, hindsight, this type here won't work because the roof will get in the way of it. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab a traditional one. All right, I'm back. So basically just use a traditional one like this. Like I said, the other one, they're great because you get, 10 in one, but it won't fit. If you took the roof off, it'll be fine, but it's a pain. So I'm not going to bore you with the tightening. I'm going to go ahead and get this all tightened down, and I'll be back with you shortly. All right, one more little tightening up here. Everything looks good. Take the Velcro off. Everything's up there nice and tight. Actually, I'll just that one a little bit more. That ain't going anywhere. So that's it, guys. I mean, that's the install on this. Nice and simple. So I'll go ahead and give you a quick demo. Okay, so as I had promised you, here is what the after looks like. All right, so not bad at all. You can still, when you're sitting down there, you can still see out behind you. Oh, not bad at all. All right, guys, so as I had said earlier, I mean, you have a couple different options here. You do have your regular 12 volt, which is what I'm going to do, and you're just going to plug it right into here, and when you plug it in, that's going to light up, So, you know, it doesn't look too bad there. Again, you know, it tells you that you're on. And then you have your remote control, which is going to allow you to put it into, you know, auxiliary mode. And again, you have these here. So you've got your jack. So this way here, if you don't have Bluetooth, but you have, you know, an older iPod or whatever it is, maybe you're using a tablet or a Kindle, anything that has this jack will give you the output of the music you're playing. And then the other nice thing is, let's say you have a passenger over here and you're already using up this one and they want to charge a phone or another device, the power will draw through here into the unit itself and a person can charge that up. It's a little jumbled back here. I have the wires just tied up. I'm going to end up going and cleaning these, but for now what I'm going to do is just run this down behind the seat into here, and then I'll plug it in, and with the excess, again, I can just tuck that back in here. I'll end up going a little neater. I'll probably end up running this up along the bar and put some of that nice tubing to conceal it, but just for the sense of demo purpose, I just wanted to show this to you real quick. I'm going to go ahead now and demo the speaker for you. So first thing we'll do is you're going to want to get your phone paired up, which is really easy to do. Just go into, if you're on an Android, you just go into your settings, drop down to connections, go to Bluetooth, Bluetooth device detected. It'll show you Planet Audio PSX-26. Connect that, it's pairing right now. Connected. Oh yeah, you gotta put it into pairing mode. Sorry guys. You put this into BT, which is Bluetooth. And then you go ahead and hit pairing. And Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with Planet Audio PSX-26, just hit OK. There it is. So it's already paired. So then from there what you do is just figure out what you want to play. I'm going to go ahead and play one of my YouTube videos just so I don't have to deal with copyright stuff if I play someone else's music. It's just a little bit of a pain in the butt there. I don't want to deal with that. I got volume. So that's basically just letting it play on its own without doing any type of equalizer or EQ stuff that come with it. I'm actually going to show you the difference because you'll probably be surprised of how much better it sounds. So we've got the different EQs and modes. I'm just going to go through them real quick. So you got pop mode, clear mode, jazz mode, you got a bass mode, and you got a normal mode. So I'll just go ahead and crank this up real quick. That's not that bad. $259, and you can probably find them on eBay for like $200. You can't go wrong. Then if you pause, then you can hit that pause button. The other nice thing about this too is it works the same way it would when you're using other devices, like a lot of the headphones that have the little buttons on the side. Same thing, if you press this, it'll work with your Bluetooth and it'll skip to the next song. Or again, of course, you can do volume up, your mode control. So that's it, PSX-26. I don't want to go too far into this. I mean, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. It was more of just to show you, here's what the PSX-26 is, and this is what it looks like in the Zforce 950. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to sign off. I do have a lot of packages that have arrived. I'm going to be doing some more installs. So definitely give me some feedback. Let me know what you think about the install videos. Or, at least as some people call them, an unboxing. I don't necessarily need to do full install videos. A lot of people online have already showed you how to do these things. But, everyone seems to follow a different content creator. So, you know, maybe you follow me and not someone else, or vice versa. So just, you know, keep me updated. Use the comments. I love communicating with you guys. If you go into any of the comment fields, you'll see that I respond to everyone, and it's more than just, oh, hey, thanks for subscribing. I'll get into a conversation with you because, again, as I've said in the past, I like doing the videos for you guys. So without you watching, you know, what's the use? So that's it, signing out, peace. Simply New England here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and if you want the notifications to let you know whenever I upload a new video, hit the bell. The bell will notify you. So that's it, guys. See ya. Simply New England signing out.